When this challenge was set up, when all the challenges were set up, I think iwi in general had that research fatigue, and we often were like, we don't really want to be involved with any more research, let alone receive research. And I think that started to change because we've got grassroots, community-based research coming through their community to iwi that way, which is the most appropriate way, right? It's the successful, this is what's working in my community and another community, like the Kaumātua housing that's a real primo example of hapori Māori picking up and sharing it with each other. We definitely, in the iwi world, have a view that research does happen to us, not with us. And I think that's what's changed the uptake of where we're at now. And I just wanted to dip in and say that there are 11 national science challenges. We're all at different stages of our Te Tiriti o Waitangi journeys, but between all 11 challenges, we have the answers to what's just happened now. The research has been going on for long enough now that it's actually just waiting to be picked up by the government and the public sector if they bother to look.